next game is a very serious moment, and we need a situation, someone to shout out a situation that's very, very serious. One of the ones we did have, I can't believe I'm saying this, was a concentration camp. So you can understand the sort of serious mood we're talking here, but please don't say that. So something, a really serious situation that both Brandon and our Alex are in right now.
9/11.
Oh
Car crash, you're welcome. Brain surgery. You were doing
What was that at the back?
Ooh, 9/11. Brain surgery.
He's had brain surgery.
Did you say Alex is on his deathbed?
Yeah.
I like that. Oh, sorry.
From a car crash.
I love what you're saying. So Alex is on his deathbed.
After his brain surgery.
After what?
Someone said brain surgery,
Okay,
so...
so Alex is on his deathbed. He's had brain surgery. Action.
And then I said to Mum that we just can't do it on our own. And yeah, I guess that's why I'm going to miss you, Dad.
Sorry, son.
Well, it's not your fault.
Brandon Marshmallow.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
didn't see it coming.
No, neither did we. I mean, I wish we had, then we wouldn't be having this conversation.
Yeah.
No one's got X-ray vision, have they? Or MRI vision. I don't know what vision it would be.
Alex
That'd
Marshmallow.
be a good superpower.
MRI vision.
Somebody needs to write that down and make that into a movie.
MRI vision. Seeing
MRI.
people's heads.
Yeah. So, have you and Mum spoken about a will?
Yeah.
Alex Marshmallow.
Yeah. Everything will go to everyone, split evenly.
Yeah.
Obviously, Mum gets most of it.
Yeah, understandably. So, are you in any pain at all?
I'm heavily drugged up,
Brandon Marshmallow.
and if I'm in pain, I can just hit a button and just more drugs go into me.
Seems very realistic.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Has anyone got any more of those tubes?
Brandon Marshmallow.
So what? I get spaced out a little bit.
Yeah. But so I guess I'll be getting the business, would I not?
Well,
Alex Marshmallow.
about that.
You know what's funny? Your
Not funny at all.
your speech is actually getting closer and closer to someone who's had brain surgery.
Oh, the irony.
Oh, the irony.
Alex Marshmallow.
See, again closer. So yeah, so do I get the business or?
Brandon Marshmallow.
You get part of the business.
Part of the business?
Yeah, because it's going to be split evenly.
Brandon Marshmallow.
Well, I have 6 brothers.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
don't know why they're not here now, but...
Well,
see, I'm here now. I couldn't remember, but...
I'm glad you're here,
Alex Marshmallow.
because there's something I need to tell you.
Hurry up. You better hurry up and tell me. Come on, hurry up.
5 years ago.
Alex Marshmallow.
Hurry up.
When I was walking in the park, I saw a bird.
What, like a bird or like a bird?
No, a bird in the air. I'm married. A bird in the air. Don't laugh, it's a very serious story.
Alex Marshmallow.
So I saw this bird in the air, and it was flying. And what happened was, take the shit. It was flying, and I looked looked up and I thought, that's a beautiful bird.
Brandon Marshmallow.
What's the point of this story?
I'm getting there! And then what happened was, it was flying, and went into a road, and bam! Hit my car. Yeah! But when that happened, I thought, oh, I let this by to the edge, and just walking.
Alex Marshmallow.
I said, I'm really on the edge. Oh,
Brandon Marshmallow.
I'm so attractive right now, aren't I? I thought I let this by to the edge,